through the mercy of God, rest in peace. Let John Okafo, may your soul rest in peace. Amen. Let Amechi Monago, may your soul rest in peace. Let Deji Aderemi, may your soul rest in perfect peace. Amen. Let Zulu Adigo, may your soul rest in peace. Let Don Brano, may your soul rest in peace. Amen. Let Cynthia Okereke, may your soul rest in peace. Let Onyeka Uwen, may your soul rest in peace. Let Union Pope Wodo, may your soul rest in peace. Amen. Harvard Mingwe, may your soul rest in peace. Let Stella Ikwebu, may your soul rest in peace. Amen. Let ifeanyi, may your soul rest in peace. Let Adejumoke, may your soul rest in peace. CC Quadre, may your soul rest in peace. Amen. Etelebe, may your soul rest in peace. Amen. Let Sharon Mabaman, may your soul rest in peace. Amen. Let Mohbad, may your soul rest in peace. Amen. So many others I can't remember.
My country people, this more like open wounds. Jesus Christ. Chaii, as our legendary actor Chinwetelu Agu just dey pay his own last homage to his colleagues them. Na so I start to dey cry. Na so water just dey pour from my eyes. I say, God, may these souls continue to rest in peace. Seriously, we miss them, but you know the best. Please, as you are watching this, type in may their souls rest in peace in the comment section. Let's pay our last homage to them.